Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video I will talk about data types. So as I have explained in the previous videos that a variable in Java must be a specified data type. For example, suppose int should be a number, that could be any number, and it is usually a whole number, means it cannot have any point value or anything, and then it is float value, and that would be any decimal number, and it is known as floating point value. And next is char, that would be any letter from our alphabets of A to Z. It would be capital or small. And then it is boolean, that is it will be either true or false. And finally I told you about string, that would be any text values. So it would be any text within double inverted commas. Let it be hello. And this is all I have said you in our previous videos. But I have to say a few more things, that data types are divided into two groups. As you can see, these are all data types: char, int, float, char, boolean, string. These are all data types, and data types are divided into two groups. First group is known as primitive data types, which includes byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char. And non-primitive data types are such as string, array, classes, and you will learn about these in our future videos. And yes, this string is a non-primitive data type, and other than this, all you can see here, they are all primitive data types. And about primitive data type and non-primitive data type, I will discuss more about or in details in our next videos. And till then, take care. Goodbye.